old wooden table stands near the window. Paper, colors, glue, threads, and half-finished craft are scattered across it. Soft sunlight enters through the window. Some dreams do not make noise. They grow silently and often. They are born in our hands. This is the story of Aisha, an ordinary woman with an extraordinary spirit. Aisha sat on the floor, carefully shaping the a paper flower. In the background, children laugh, kitchen utensils clink. Her days were filled with household chores, but the nights belonged to her dreams. With the world slept, Aisha created beauty with her hands. Young Aisha sits beside her mother making dolls from leftover fabric. Her hands blessing, "My child, what is made with love is always special." Those words stayed alive in Aisha's heart. Back to the present, Aisha speaks to her husband. "These are useless hobbies. They won't run a home." Aisha lowers her eyes, silent. The biggest enemy of dreams is not poverty, it is discouragement. But Aisha did not stop. Aisha turns a recycled bottle into a beautiful lamp. She cleans it, paints it, and installs a soft light inside. It was not just a craft, it was hope. Aisha shows the lamp to her neighbor. "Neighbor, you made this. It's better than the market ones." Aisha smiles, eyes shining. Sometimes one kind sentence can change everything. Aisha takes photos with her phone. She uploads them online. With fear in the heart, but faith is her hand. In her hands and faith, Aisha shared her work with the world. The world. The first order came, then another, then many more. Her hobby became her livelihood. Aisha worked at her table creating wall hanging, festive decoration, handmade jewelry, recycled craft. Her husband watched quietly. "Husband, I don't know you could do this." Aisha looks directly at the camera. Aisha said, "These hands are not weak. They just need belief." Handmade craft is not just art, it is patience, courage, and self-respect. The room is now bright and full of life. Aisha laughs with her children. Her handmade creations decorate the space. Remember, what is made by hand and heart is not just soul, it is felt. Though if anybody discourage you and lower your confidence, so forget about it and move on. And you can do many things you want to have. I wish you want to have in your life what you want to make. So let them everybody do best things and do best things. Keep creative, keep doing something beautiful and amazing and unique. I wish your home fulfilled with craft, love, and many more you want to have in your life. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. Thank you. Be a part of this video. I wish your home, your life fulfilled with love and creativity. So every corner tells a story of your house. Handmade wall art, recycled decor, carefully wrapped, orders ready to be delivered. Make something new and creative and upload a post online. Thank you for your amazing response. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Wishing you a very happy, crafty days. Make your mind relax and keep creative something beautiful and new. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself. Wishing you a very happy, crafty days. Happy New Year once again. Happy New Year to all of you. I wish this year fulfilled with love, creativity, prosperity, love, happiness, togetherness, and many more you want to have. Thank you. Stay blessed. If you want to